Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about bicycle brakes that are squeaking when you are stopping. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can look at and do with your bike that will hopefully stop the squeaking problem that you're experiencing with your bicycle brakes when you're stopping. All right, without further ado, we're going to start off with number 1. Number 1 is clean the braking surface. That's right. So if your bicycle brakes are squeaking when you're stopping, then you're going to want to clean the braking surface. Maybe there is a buildup of grime or dirt or anything on the surface that might cause them to squeak. Now on this bike, because it has like V brakes over here, the braking surface is going to be just along the rim. But other bikes are going to have a braking surface over here when they have like a rotor style brake. So essentially, whatever the braking surface is, you're going to want to clean it. Just a very basic cleaning. It doesn't need to be anything crazy, just a basic cleaning. Very basic cleaning solution and just a basic little, maybe like a minor scrub of the braking surface. Clean it up. Hopefully that solves the problem. If not, you can move on to number 2. Number 2 is look at the condition of the brakes. Sometimes your brakes are just simply old and need to be replaced. So you want to actually look at the brakes in terms of the brake pads, okay? Or whatever it is that's actually rubbing as you brake. So in this circumstance right here, it is just the brake pads over here. These are what are rubbing as we brake. That's what I'm going to look at the condition of. If you have rotors and you have a different type of brake, that's fine too. But whatever is actually pushing and rubbing as you brake, you're going to look at the condition of those actual braking materials, okay? Like I said, in this circumstance right over here, in this circumstance, these are what is braking. I would look at the condition of those, all right? So look at the condition of the brakes and see if they look okay. If they don't look okay, you might need to replace them because that might be the reason why they're squeaking. Even if they look decent, if they're not flat, if they're not if they're worn unevenly, that could cause the squeak as well. So really look at the condition of the brakes. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is see if the wheel is aligned properly, okay? So if your front wheel is causing the squeaking problem when you brake, you want to see if the wheel is aligned properly. What does that mean? It means simply lift the bike up, spin the wheel, see if it looks nice and straight, okay? See if it looks nice and straight, see if the wheel is true, see if it's wobbling back and forth. You want to see if the wheel is aligned properly. If you have a misaligned wheel and it's wobbling and it's not true, then essentially that's going to cause, it could cause some squeaking. It's likely to cause some squeaking. So look at the condition of the wheel in terms of its alignment, see if it's aligned properly, okay? And see if it's aligned properly also according to the brakes and where they are positioned to the wheel, relative to the wheel itself, where the brakes are relative to the wheel as it spins. So just take a look at that. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is see if the brake pads are aligned properly. So now we're going to look at the brake pads themselves. As you look at the wheel spinning, you're going to want to see if the brake pads are aligned properly, okay? If they look okay with the wheel spinning, that's sort of the first part of looking. Next, you're going to look at the brake pads. Are they on an angle? If they're like on an angle like this, and only part of it is touching, only part of the brake pad is touching the wheel, then guess what? It's going to probably cause some squeaking. If they're also on an angle like this, where like the front of the brake pad is touching more than the back of the brake pad, then it's going to cause some squeaking. So look at the brake pads and make sure the brake pads themselves are aligned properly. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is look for loose bolts. Now on your brakes, you're going to have bolts, and you're going to see if everything's nice and tight. Now you don't want to go and like crank everything down. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying go ahead and like tap everywhere and see if you hear any jingling or if you see any loose bolts. If you hear or see any loose bolts, you might need to tighten them up, okay? Now, for each of these things, obviously, I told you to look for certain things. If you see that there's a problem with each of those things, you're going to replace it or repair it or adjust it. So with each of those steps, there's an action, basically, for the most part, that will help you make it better for the most part. All right, so hopefully this helps you stop your brakes from squeaking anymore. And that's it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And, of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.